This creamy pineapple icing will make all your cakes and cupcakes taste refreshing and amazing. It has tiny bits of pineapple to add a fruity flavor to your favorite dessert. In a bowl, add the unsalted butter and beat on medium-high speed until smooth. Add in the heavy cream, salt, and vanilla extract. Continue beating until evenly incorporated. Then, add the freeze-dried pineapple and confectioner sugar. Beat on medium-low speed until the sugar is evenly incorporated. Gradually add in the remaining sugar 1 cup at a time. Beat on low to medium speed until incorporated, then turn the speed up to medium-high and beat until light and fluffy. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.